And we are back with another exciting Pet Nature box review for you guys. This is October's box. This is the Halloween box. Don't know if there's going to be anything Halloween inside. I wasn't expecting to do this box review today. I wasn't actually expecting it to be delivered so soon. I only got the email yesterday to say that it had been dispatched for delivery. Now, I have had a really busy day today. I have basically been doing video after video, editing, and I done 2 videos this morning. I sat down, I put my pyjamas on, I sat down to edit the videos, upload them onto YouTube and set them as private. I was waiting for one video to save, I was having my lunch while I was watching Home and Away and fixing and editing another video. Multitasking as us women do. And Jamie sent me a message to say your Pet Nature box is here, because he only works like not even a 10-minute walk away from here. So I'm like, oh, I need to do this video today. I already had a video planned to put up today, but I've now changed that because I want to put the Pet Nature box up today, because if I don't film this today, I'm basically not going to be able to film it until Monday, and today is Thursday. And I did say in my last one that I don't want to open this box out with the video, like I want to open it on the video. So I had to do this video today. I'm going to put it up today, and I literally had to like rush and get dressed and run all the way into Jamie's work to run all the way back to get my lights set up and everything back together to do this video. So long story short, I have been really busy non-stop, but I am excited to get this review done, and I'm just going to take my time, not rush, and enjoy it. So let's go. As you can see, the Pet Nature box have changed the style of their box. It's no longer a brown box, it is a white box, and I do like the white box. It is very clean looking. I prefer the white box, I have to say, than just the brown box. And the stickers still remain the same. Now, as you can see, I'll hide the address here, it is still sealed. I have not opened this box at all. It's a first. Okay, let's go for it. Watch your face, please. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, are we ready to have a look and see what's inside our box? Are we ready? Okay then. Oh, look! Wait a minute, let everybody see. Let everybody see, excuse me. Ladies, calm down. I like the orange paper. Gives it that kind of Halloween look. Let me come a bit closer. It gives it that Halloween look, and the sticker says Happy Halloween. I love it. Love it. Right, ladies, let's see. Excuse me. Okay, so let us tear open the box. Oh, so excited. Oh, excuse me, Roxy, will you calm down? I know you're excited, but please, can I get it? Ladies, I'm excited too, but you need to calm down and get your noses out of the box. My goodness me. Okay, so I have the leaflet here that basically says what is in the box. I'm not going to look at that just now because I don't want to ruin it. I have a share your unboxing with photos with us and win. Tag us on social media by the 13th of the 11th 2016. Winners get 15% off your next box charge. Wow, I'm certainly going to do that, and I don't know if you will be able to see, but on that leaflet, that picture where my finger is at is actually Pixie and Roxy. So that is really exciting that we are on a little leaflet for everybody's box to see. Excuse me, ladies. I really like that idea. So yes, we will be doing that. We will be sharing our unboxing photos as we always do. Okay, now the next thing we have is Holistic Pet Company special offer. Why not treat your dog to one of our other products for Christmas? Just email holly@holisticpetcompany.co.uk for information about our special Pet Nature box offer. Might give that a go as well. Okay, and the last thing we have here is bootsandbones.co.uk, 30% off with the code, and I'll have a wee look into that as well. That looks like it's like pet collars, dog collars and stuff, so we'll have a wee look into those wee leaflets. Okay, now on to the exciting stuff, and as you can see I still can't see and I've not looked at the card, so let's open up and have a look. Are you ready? Ready? Oh my goodness! Oh, that is horrendous. Guys, that is enough to give me a nightmare. What are you trying to do to me? I know it's Halloween, but come on. That's going to give me a nightmare. Oh my days. Oh, goodness gracious. Right, let everybody see, guys. Okay, so this is what is in our box this month. Scary box, put it that way. And I mean, I'm working a 12-hour shift tomorrow, guys. I need to sleep tonight. Oh my days. Oh, I don't even want to look at it. I get scared really easily. And yeah, that's the type of thing that would give me nightmares, so thank you guys. Okay, now let us see. We'll deal with the scariest first and get it out my road. So the first thing we have is Scary Zombie Chicken or Raccoon. And this is it here. Oh, his eyes out and everything? Oh, guys! Oh, I don't want to look at it. Okay, so this is it here. This is a Scary Zombie, so obviously we've got the zombie chicken. And we had one eye covered while we packed these scary guys in your boxes. Sorry we didn't stick around long enough to see who got which. Chicken or raccoon? Yes, we are scared to cats. You're not the only one, guys. Definitely one to scare those trick-or-treaters away if needed. It's definitely scared me away. Look at the state of that thing. Look at it. Look, its eyes sticking out and everything. I mean, that's horrible. I'm sure the dogs will love it though. Okay, so this is from Dog It Design, and Roxy looks as if she's really going to like this. Right, Roxy? Okay, okay. Right, calm down. Calm down. Let me take the label off. Oh, and it squeaks as well. Do you like it? Do you love it? Okay, so while they're playing with that is horrendous, guys. Like, oh, I hope I'm going to sleep tonight now. Okay, the next thing we have in our box is Trick for Treats, and this is from doggydelish.co.uk. These look like the kind of homemade biscuits, and in here is Doggy Delicious treats that are complimentary pet food for dogs. Can be used as a training aid or as a reward. Feed as part of a nutritionally balanced diet, and always ensure you provide plenty of fresh, clean drinking water. Store in cool, dry conditions away from direct sunlight, and it's got wheat flour, peanut butter, vegetable stock in it. And they are wee bats. Don't know if you can see that there. Okay, let me open them up and see. Now I need to watch because there's staples in here, guys. Need to be careful. Right, Roxy, calm down. You guys are going to be stuffed because you've been getting treats all morning. Okay, let me smell first. Ooh, they are huge. Oh, careful. You're knocking over my box. This is what they look like. They're wee bats. I think just a half of one will be enough for them. My goodness. Do you want one? Handmade peanut butter bats are a fun and healthy Halloween treat for your little monsters and werewolves. And they look amazing and the dogs absolutely love them. Okay, the next thing we have in our box is this little bow. Let me see if I can find it here. This is a skull Halloween bow tie. Who says Halloween outfits have to be scary? We think this handmade skull design bow will help look super cute on your furry pals. Perfect for joining in with some trick or treating. And this is from Paw Stars Dog Clothing, facebook.com. And this is super cute. Now, unfortunately, we only have the one. So we need to share. Now, do we remember about sharing? Sharing is caring. Do we remember? Now, you are supposed to wear this round your neck. There it is there. If you can see. But I am going to try something a little different. Because not every dog wears a bow around their neck. Isn't that right, Pixie? Don't you look fabulous? Oh my goodness me. Come here. Come here. Let's show everybody your bow. Let's show everybody your bow. Don't you look so pretty? Don't you look beautiful? He's a little princess. Now, that looks perfect the way it is, guys. Who used to wear a bow around the neck? Yes. Oh, you are so pretty. That's just a Snapchat right there. Hold on a minute, guys. Oh, that is pretty. It's a pretty girl. That is beautiful. Now it is round for the dog's neck, but we decided to stick it on the head because you are ladies, not boys. And ladies wear their bows up here, don't they? Yes, they do. Beautiful. So we really like that, guys. That is lovely. That is a lovely little bow. Okay, now the next thing we have in this box is Holistic Pet Company Zen Dog Herbal Tea for Dogs. Oh, this looks like it is doggy tea. Helping your anxious dog cope is as easy as making a cuppa. Add a half a teaspoonful of Zen Dog to half a cup of hot water, steep for 5 minutes, top up with cold water and serve with your dog's food twice daily. And this helps calmness and to relieve anxiety. This might be good for you for fireworks night, Roxy. Like it says here, associated with travelling, trips to the vet, fireworks, thunderstorms, and as an aid of separation anxiety. Now, Roxy does not like fireworks, and we are heading into bonfire night, and she hates it. Like, she is traumatised by them. I've never seen her shake so much in all my life. Oh, smell it. Alright, but don't eat it. Jeez Louise. Do you like it then? We'll make you a wee cup of tea. A wee cup of tea. And we'll have doggy tea afternoon. Yes. So that is great. That is what it looks like there, guys. Sorry for not showing you. It says here, vet approved, 100% herbal blend, and refills are available. Now I think this might be the same company that I've seen does like the paw balm. I'm not entirely sure. I will look into that, but that is great. And let's see what it says on the card. There's not much that can't be solved with a good brew. A beautiful herbal tea blended for the relief of anxiety and also helps to calm your dog's nerves as well as their mind. Perfect for helping with loud noises such as fireworks, thunderstorms, car journeys, etc. And this is from the holisticpetcompany.co.uk. Can you stop licking the box, please? So that is really good. Now, we've only got 2 items left in here, so let's do this one. This is Green and Wild, naturally for pets, and this is the Farmer Fred's sweet potato treats. Now, I actually haven't seen this from Green and Wild before. We have had quite a lot of the Green and Wild brands, but we've never really seen the sweet potato treats, so they look really, really good. And rich in vitamins and minerals. Let's see what is in them. Oh, there we are. Oh, 100% sweet potato. Here's me looking for a list. It's 100% sweet potato, and that is it, guys. And it's to be used within next year. And they are just like hard sticks. So that is them there. Do you want one? Ooh, very sweet smelling, should I say? No pun intended. It's like a little chew stick. Okay, now let me see, where are these in here? Green and Wild sweet potato treats. We are a huge fan of sweet potato based treats, so we are super pleased that Green and Wilds have added these to their range. 100% air dried with no additives and also great for teeth cleaning. Oh, so that must be a new range from Green and Wilds. Very nice. Yes, you'll get one in a minute. Okay, now the last thing we have in this box is from Earthy Paws Pet Supplies. And where are we here? These brand new eco-friendly dog toys are made with natural wood and have TPR dental rubber ends. Great for flinging around for fetch games. Wow. Ooh, look at that. Handmade, hours of fun for your dogs, durable non-toxic natural materials, promotes healthy teeth and gums. Roxy, because your teeth are a bit of a mess. I'm going to leave it on there just now because we're going to do quick photos of everything while it's still intact, and then we'll do a quick video of you playing and eating everything. Okay? We good? Okay you guys, so that is our review, and I have to say that is a really good box this month. I really like the products in this box, and especially because we're obviously coming up to Halloween. They've included a scary toy, and they have also included something for Guy Fawkes night for fireworks to help soothe your dog if they suffer from anxiety. You enjoyed this video today, and please leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, and please, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. And we look forward to reviewing November's Pet Nature box. Thank you very much you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye guys.